Let's learn how to divide the number 55 by 2 using the long division method. To do this, at first we will write down the numbers 55 and 2 in this way. Now consider the number 5. We know that 2 times 2 is 4. Subtract, we get 1. Now 1 is less than 2. That is why we need to bring down this adjacent 5 here. And we know that 2 times 7 is equal to 14. Subtract, we get 1. Now this 1 is less than 2, but we have no number to bring down here. That is why we need to borrow 1 0, and for that we need to put a decimal here. And we know that 2 times 5 is equal to 10. Subtract, we get a 0. As we have got the number 0 and we have no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore, 55 divided by 2 is equal to 27.5, and this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.